trying out new different type of knives from the different brands, and this is the one from my local, from my hometown. It's called Kamakura, and this is really sharp, so easy to handle, and it's very light, so it's great for the women as well. So it's a good one. I might select this for my new tableware project. So for mushroom, I use shiitake mushroom for today, but you can use any type of mushroom. Portobello mushroom or shimeji mushroom would be a great substitution for this. My kids don't like mushroom, so I'm gonna cut into really small pieces. But if you like the mushroom, then you don't have to chop into this size. Just keep it bigger chunk. So now I finish mincing everything, and on one plate I got carrot and mushroom and onion, and that will go into the rice cooker to cook with the rice. And the pepper, it will be added after the rice is done cooking, so just make sure to divide into two plates. So today I'm going to add this seafood mix, frozen seafood mix, which has a shrimp and squid and scallop in it. But you don't have to use shrimp like seafood. If you're plant-based, you can add the beans, or if you're not plant-based, maybe chicken would be a great substitution. I'm trying with this seafood because my kids don't like it, but I'm keep introducing the new things with different recipes. So let's see how it goes. I'm going to add about 1 cup of seafood directly into the rice cooker. So let's start cooking. So I use this takikomi mode and start cooking. 15 minutes. So while rice cooker is doing its magic, we have plenty of time to whip up some kind of side dish and soup. So let's start with the soup. Today I'm going to make a tomato miso soup, which is my favorite, my family's favorite, and I think it's a big hit in Ikigai Cooking Club. So let's do that. I love drinking tomato soup. No. I love drinking tomato juice, especially in the summertime, but I usually can't finish all the bottle. So if you have a leftover, then this is a great recipe to use up all of the leftovers. 美味しい。So there's a recipe on my blog for this tomato miso soup, and there is ginger on the ingredients list, but I'm not going to use the ginger today because I'm making this for kids, so just adjust however you like. I'll put the link in the description box below. So I got a Chinese cabbage and onion sliced, and I'm also going to add the frozen corn. Okay, so I still have 30 minutes before the rice cooker is done, so can I show you some of the samples that I get? Like for tableware project. This is like my favorite. It's so beautiful. Ah, isn't it cute? It's called urushi nuri in Japanese, and there's a flower on it, and everything is handmade, and this is actually for the babies. I mean the toddlers. Yeah, it's so nice. And also, I actually been getting a lot of them, like more than 20 products at this moment. So I just realized that I like really simple ones. So this is like, these are very cute one for Ichiju Sansai table setting. What else? Oh yeah, this is for the rice. Because I want to make a collection for every season and the theme is the summer. Very refreshing looking. Yeah. And I have these too. I like these like very useful plate that you can put the pasta or salad. It doesn't have to be Japanese cooking. It's multi-use. I've been using this for kids a lot because I can place things like a different type of like onigiri and salad and some proteins in just one dish in a way that I don't have to do the dishes that much, but it's still very beautiful. Can you see the color? This is exactly what I'm looking for, my kids. So I'm so excited to introduce this to you guys as well. 10 more minutes to go. It smells so good. I wish I could deliver to you. It smells so good. It's done, but always make sure to do the taste test before serving. If it's too bland, then you can add the miso paste or salt. Oishii. Now it's done and I can finally open this, but off the heat. It's now in the keep warming mode, and so off the heat completely and then open the lid. Oh, いい匂い。わあ、美味しそう。If you put bell peppers in the rice cooker from the beginning, their scent becomes too dominant. Adding bell peppers and butter after the rice is cooked and letting them warm up with the residual heat is the key. It's delicious when they have a slightly firm texture. To make it a little more pretty, I'm gonna make some rice mountain. I don't know how it's called in English. But put the rice in a bowl. Ta-da! It's cute, isn't it? So this is the side dish. I want to say that's my creation, but actually it's my mom's creation. So my husband has been on a business trip for a week, so my mom actually come over and help me meal prepping some of this, and this is it. I don't have a recipe for this, but I have a couple different recipes that are perfect for the meal prepping, so I'll put the link in the description box. And I garnish some cherry tomato. I'm getting a little hungry. So before kids come back, I will eat. I'll taste test. Mm, すごいしっかり味があるし、なんかご飯の硬さもちょうどいい。あとエビとイカの食感がしっかりあるから食べ応えもすごいあって、いや美味しい。美味しい。絶対試してほしいな。子供がいるママやパパには。相性もいいしね。やってみてください。おかえり。
ただいま。
どうこれ？
アンパンマン。
アンパンマン？確かにアンパンマンみたい、そういうつもりなかったけど。
これはスープと一緒に食べたらいけるかもしれない。なんかがベニュー。
Next up, Japanese souffle cheesecake in a rice cooker. Have you ever tried a fluffy souffle cheesecake? With a rice cooker, you can easily make it without any mistakes. So I hope you find something to try out. And if you try it out, let me know in the comment section. And for those who want to start Japanese cooking but feels overwhelming, we have a membership to support. So what you do is you can watch a comprehensive video course at your own pace. And whenever you have a question, you can ask anytime to us, including myself, in an exclusive platform. And the member shares their creation so you can keep up the motivation, and we cook together over the Zoom. And the best part is, I think, it's the members. They are very supportive and kind, and they have a similar goal and interest as you. So you're gonna have a friends there. If you are interested, check out the link in the description box below. Thanks a lot for watching and see you on the next one. Bye bye. またね。